what's the deal? It's your boy Original, back with another one for y'all. Check this out today on my YouTube channel. We going over how to buy LBRY credits. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now, last night I made a video on LBRY credits. It was at 21 cents, and I said whenever it dropped below 20 cents, I was gonna purchase again. So I thought this would be a good opportunity to show y'all exactly how to buy LBRY credits. Now, I made a video last year in 2020 about how to buy LBRY credits, right? At the time, you could just buy Bitcoin and use Simply Swap and swap it over to LBRY credits and have it deposited right into your LBRY wallet. But things have changed on LBRY. They now have the Odysee platform on the web browser, and you have to buy LBRY credits on what's called Bittrex. Now, if we look up LBC on Bittrex, you will see LBRY credits are available to be bought and sold on Bittrex, right? I'm currently signed into my Bittrex account, and I'm about to show y'all how to transfer money from Coinbase to Bittrex so you can buy LBRY credits. Now, the first thing you want to do is get your Bitcoin address, your deposit address from Bittrex, right? So we're gonna type in BTC under holdings. We're under holdings in the account. We're gonna get the deposit address, right? You just copy this address, right? Copy, done. You can go back to Coinbase, right? You go in the top right hand corner to send and receive. Type in 500 because we sending 500, right? And then we enter in the wallet address. The account does not have the funds. Hold on. Let's see. Type in 500. Then you enter in the Bitcoin wallet address. Then you press continue. Then it show you how much you're sending. Then you send it out. This transaction will take 10 minutes or less, right? So back on Bittrex, deposits. We have no pending deposits right here, but I'm gonna leave this page up and pick back up once the deposit comes on Bittrex. All right, Yon World, as you can see, our Bitcoin just completed. It was deposited onto Bittrex, right? If we go over to the right, you will see the total value of it right now, the current value. And all we have to do when we want to buy LBRY credits from Bittrex is go over the balances. You can search or find LBC if you don't have it already right here. BTC to LBC, right? You go into the market, and then you come over here to the right corner and you select market right here. And then you select 100% if you want to use all of your Bitcoin. You can see we're getting 2,000 LBRY credits for that. And then we go to buy order. Then we confirm buy. And we put that in. Now, if we go back to holdings, you will see we got 2,726 LBRY credits, right? Now, what we do with these LBRY credits is we want to withdraw them. So you go to your LBRY account. You can use LBRY TV or Odysee. I just like using Odysee. It's the same thing, same platform. You go to receive. You copy your receive wallet address on LBRY. You go back to Bittrex. You paste that. Then you want to send all of them. If you just click on the available amount, you can send all of it and withdraw LBC. You got to enter in your two-factor code from Bittrex, and then it's sent, right? You just submitted the order to send out the LBRY credits. We go to Odysee. We can refresh. And I'll just show you when they appear on LBRY, right? I'm gonna leave this running until the credits appear on LBRY, and we're gonna pick it up from there. All right, Yon World, the LBRY credits just deposited on my account. as you can see, I currently have 11,631 LBRY credits, right? And if we go down to the transaction history, you can see February 22nd, today, February 22nd, at 6:29 a.m. Right now at 6:30, I'm up making this video. I received the payment for 2,700 LBRY credits. Now, one thing I forgot to mention on previous videos about LBRY credits was making them so valuable is that the content creators on LBRY, on Odysee, when you want to promote your channel, when you want to promote your videos, you have to support those videos with LBRY credits. And in order to get promoted in LBRY's algorithm throughout all of the network, you have to hold or lock in the value or the support on the content or on the channel, right? You can always withdraw and unlock these rewards. Like any tips you get, you can unlock them and you can spend them, right? As you can see right now, I have 4,000 LBRY credits that's immediately spendable, but I got 7,000 boosting my content. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put more LBRY credits. I'm gonna basically stake more LBRY credits into my account. And when I stake LBRY credits into my account, it promotes me more throughout the platform, and that in turn earns me more LBRY because people are watching my videos. And when people watch your videos on LBRY, you earn LBRY credits from that. So I'm just putting y'all up on game on this platform. I think this is a game changer. Like I said on previous videos, LBRY credits is the new YouTube. LBRY is the new YouTube to me. If you go to the website, you just look over everything LBRY is about. I've been talking about this platform since it was 3 cents. Right now it is 18 cents, and it's going to $2. It's going to $5 this year. You know, it could possibly go higher. To me, it's building a solid community. Over 10 million people already on LBRY releasing content. You can sync your YouTube channel with LBRY. After you sync your YouTube channel with LBRY, you instantly monetize. You earn monthly rewards, right? When people watch your videos on LBRY, on Odysee, you get LBRY credits for every view, right? Even if you don't have a channel and you watch videos on LBRY, you interact with the platform, you can earn LBRY credits, right? They acquired Odysee. So LBRY is definitely in a state of growth right now. It's very cheap to buy. I think this coin is undervalued right now. I believe it's going to at least $5 this year. So it's a lot of good news coming out about LBRY. Y'all just have to stay up on this coin. Like I said, last year when I was reporting on it, it was only 3 cents. I wasn't taking it as serious. I sold over 15,000 shares of LBRY. So I'm just getting my position back in LBRY because this is going to be a big platform. I feel it. I know it. It's the new YouTube. So I'm just putting y'all up on game before the tidal wave and all of the investors and all of the people come in and y'all trying to get in when it's $3, $4, $5. So it's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. I'm out. Peace.